Host. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you join me today because we're going to tackle a topic that affects millions of people around the world: tinnitus. If you're dealing with that persistent ringing or buzzing sound in your ears, this video is for you. I'm here to share some valuable insights and practical tips on how to stop tinnitus once and for all. So, let's dive right in. 1. Understanding tinnitus. Host. Before we jump into the solutions, it's important to understand what tinnitus actually is. Tinnitus is the perception of sound in your ears, or head, when there's no external source of that sound. It can manifest as a ringing, buzzing, humming, or even a hissing noise. While it's not a condition itself but rather a symptom of an underlying issue, tinnitus can still have a significant impact on your quality of life. To identifying the causes. Host. The first step in addressing tinnitus is identifying its potential causes. There can be several factors that contribute to the development of tinnitus. Exposure to loud noises, certain medications, earwax buildup, and even stress can all play a role. Additionally, underlying conditions like hearing loss, high blood pressure, or temporomandibular joint disorders can also trigger tinnitus. Understanding these causes can help us adopt a targeted approach towards finding relief. 3 tips and techniques for tinnitus relief. Host. Now that we have a better understanding of tinnitus, let's move on to some tips and techniques that can provide relief from those persistent noises. Protect your ears. Avoid exposure to loud noises. Wear earplugs or earmuffs in noisy environments, and give your ears the break they deserve. Manage stress. Stress can exacerbate tinnitus symptoms. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like exercise, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Background noise. Playing soothing background noise, such as nature sounds or calming music, can help mask the tinnitus and make it less noticeable. Healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to reducing tinnitus symptoms. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol have been known to worsen tinnitus for some individuals. Consider reducing your intake to see if it makes a difference for you. For seeking professional help. Host. While self-care techniques can be beneficial, it's important to remember that tinnitus can be a complex condition. If you're finding it difficult to manage or if it's significantly impacting your daily life, seeking professional help is highly recommended. An audiologist or an ear, nose, and throat specialist can provide you with further guidance and explore treatment options tailored to your specific situation. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it, some valuable insights and practical tips on how to stop tinnitus. Remember, finding relief from tinnitus is often a journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. Be patient, try different approaches, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. If you found this video helpful and informative, I would be absolutely thrilled if you could hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be joining our amazing community and won't miss out on any future content we create. As always, I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.